The following video demonstrates the backup and restore process of a virtual machine using the NovaBACKUP virtual dashboard. In this example, we perform the backup for a VMware virtual machine, taking advantage of NovaBACKUP's data retention functionality. Let's get started.
Once you've opened NovaBACKUP, click on Virtual Dashboard. Click on Add to add your hypervisor. You can add VMware or Hyper-V. For this example, we will use VMware. Go ahead and fill in your credentials. Once you do, hit Test. Once you're successful, click OK and click on Save. Next, I will add my VM. For this instance, I've created a fake machine for testing. Now you'll see my machine listed up here. Click on it. Make sure change block tracking is on. Click on Backup. We will call this my fake machine. We want a full backup. Our destination is going to be a local target. So we'll pick volume E. And we want to turn retention on. We want to keep about 3 copies. Hit Next. Put in your credentials. Hit Next. Schedule it. For my example, I will set it sometime in the future so I can refer back to it. And our backup's ready to go. Now I will run a full backup. Once it's completed, you can see that I have a full machine here. Now I'll run another one. As you can see, I have 3 full backups. Since I only told it to keep 3 generations, my first full backup will be deleted. As you can see, the volume has been removed, and now I have currently 3. Now I will add my differential. Change this to differential. The target should be the same place that I put the original backup, which in this case was destination E. Make sure that retention is off because the full backup is what's going to keep track of your retention. Put in your credentials. Click Next. I will set this to sometime in the future so I can refer back to it. Now I will run my differential backups. I will run a few more for this example. As you can see from my example, I have run some differential backups. I will run one now to show you what happens. As you saw there, the differential attaches itself to the last full backup. Now when I run a full backup, it will create a new folder, which will be empty, and the new differentials will go in there. And the week before, it keeps the two differentials. As you can see in my example, I've added another virtual machine. If you ever just need to restore a file, all you have to do is mount the volume. You don't have to restore the whole machine. As you can see here, I've mounted the volume for my 2003 machine, and I can go in there and grab whatever files I need. If you need to restore the virtual machine, just click on Restore. If my hypervisor is not listed there, I can always add it here. I can give it a new name. I could send it to a specific folder and target data store.
For additional NovaBACKUP videos and information, please visit support.novabackup.com.